Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your Mac. First, you'll need to download Bluestacks, a popular Android emulator. Visit the official Bluestacks website and grab the installer. Make sure your Mac has at least 4 GB of RAM and 8 GB of free disk space for optimal performance. Once downloaded, simply drag the Bluestacks icon into your Applications folder to complete the installation process. After installation, launch Bluestacks. You'll be guided through a quick initial setup, which includes agreeing to terms and conditions. Next, sign in with your Google account. This step is essential to access the Google Play Store and download games. Take a moment to tweak Bluestacks settings, like allocating more CPU cores or RAM, to ensure a smooth gaming experience for Clash Royale. Now that Bluestacks is ready, it's time to get Clash Royale. Open the Google Play Store directly within the Bluestacks window. Use the search bar at the top to find Clash Royale. Once you locate the game, simply click the Install button. The download size is typically around 150 megabytes, and installation should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. With Clash Royale installed, you can launch it directly from the Bluestacks home screen. Bluestacks offers a fantastic key mapping tool, allowing you to customize controls for a more PC-like gaming experience. You can assign keyboard keys to touch actions, making gameplay much more precise. Enjoy the larger screen and potentially higher frame rates, giving you a competitive edge in your battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.